Assalamu alaikum students. This is your lesson from pre-book 1, group 3. Okay, so now let's have a look at some of the pictures on the book, some of the activities over here. So let's see how we are going to go about these pictures and activities. So this is the story of Hania and Hira. The girls love to play a hopscotch, and in the evening, everyone enjoys hopping in the park. Can you see honeybees in the beehive? And let's have a look at the picture and the action and the formation of the sound. It's a tongue twister. Can you say that? Hello, happy honeybee. Are you hiding from the horse? Now let's have a look at the action. You can also do the action. Hold your hand up to your mouth as if you're out of breath. Okay, now let's come to the formation. In this formation practice, you need to start from the dot, top to bottom, up to the middle, round and over. You need to start from the dot so that your direction is okay and you're moving downwards and then back upwards. After letter formation and practice, you're going to have a look at some of the words for the blending, and you can do that blending very easily. You can blend the sounds anywhere with your friends in your arm. Okay, let's start from here. H, eh, Make word. Which word is this? Can you blend all those sounds? For sounding, you have got some pictures on the page of your workbook. Like these are the pictures. You are going to tell in which sound is coming and in which her sound is not coming. Hen, hand, horse, kite. Can you see any her sound in horse? Are you listening? Is there any her sound in horse? Yes. Where is the sound? In the beginning. Very good. Same is the case with hand and hen. But there is no her sound in kite. So we are not going to color in this picture. Okay, I hope everyone is ready for the dictation. You are supposed to listen to your teacher and write down the words for dictation. The first word is it, hit. 3 letters and 3 sounds. Second word, h or p, hop. 3 letters and 3 sounds. Fourth word, I think third word, nest, nest. 4 letters and 4 sounds. Fourth word, hill, hill. 3 letters, 3 sounds, 4 letters. Okay, be careful. The last one is the double trouble. Okay, students. Next, we have got the song over here. I like to hop, 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 up and down. I like to hop, 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 all around. I like to hop, 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 up and down. Okay, so You can play lots of games. You can have snacks, honey wings. You can pretend like heroes. You can make hats. You can find some hot things around yourself. Hey, honeybees. In your home, you can find hairbrush and hammer. You can dress like hikers. You can play hopscotch. You can read stories. And well, we have got the poem Humpty Dumpty, names of birds or animals, fruits or vegetables, places to go, and talk about home, hobbies, and harvest. It's all from my side. Now you can start working on your workbook.